Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today I'm working in the strawberry beds. We almost lost them, all our strawberries. It's been crazy this year, working on the cabin, trying to keep other gardens, and it's just hot. Say hey, Hank. Yeah, he's kind of ignoring y'all. But he's been playing with the ratty ball. He loves this ball. He will chase it forever. So today I'm just out here with the strawberry beds. We're going to take our strawberries and move them, and I need enough to move. It's about a month and a half before we move them, but I need the weeds out. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We nearly lost most of these strawberries. We have these strawberry beds. We have two. This one has lids on it, and as you can see, I've cleaned this side here, and we have quite a few strawberries in here, so it's not going to be a problem to be able to dig these up and move them. The second bed, I have the lid open, or the second part of the bed, and I've been working, and as you can see there, there's very few. Some of them are under the dirt where I pulled weeds. You can see they're still here. There's grass. But you can see they're still here. But all this dead stuff has got to come out. We've got to clear all this out. And then you see the little bit of weeds that are still in there that I did not get. But there are strawberries. Hey, get your ball. Get your toy. Hold on. He's having issues. Let's get Hank's ball. Here, you want your toy? Take it and go play. Not back on it. He wants me to kick it. He just wants to play. Alright, so back to the strawberries. This right here is what I've got done so far, but look at this. This is what it was looking like. A jungle of weeds. So I've got two more sections to go, and there's strawberries in there, guys, just like there was here. But I got to work and continue. And we have one more bed. This bed we had, I think I cleaned it last month. So it hasn't gotten overwhelmed, but you can see there's a few weeds here and there. But the strawberries are starting to put on little green. They're coming out. It's hot and humid, but we've gotten enough rain that the strawberries are hanging in there. And I'm going to pull the rest of these weeds. We're going to dig these strawberries up in October and transplant some of them to the cabin garden and another spot here. We're not sure yet. We're going to create another spot. And he just wants to play. And you see our apple tree is putting on some green, new growth, but we're afraid we'll lose this tree. It keeps dying because of all the damage to it. So we've planted like 6 or 8 more trees, and we're going to keep on with this one until it totally dies, and then we'll replant. All right, you want to go again? Under this apple tree, the garlic is just growing like crazy. You can see it through there. This is garlic chives. See how pretty it is doing? So, back to strawberries. This is what they're looking like. This one I'll get a second time probably later this week. And this one, the weeds have taken over, but I'm going to get back to it. Just wanted to show you our strawberries, what we're doing. We're going to plant carrots in here. This is going to be a carrot bed. We're going to dig all this up, redo. We're going to add carrots. We're going to add new fertilizer and all this stuff and put carrots in here. Yes, all this stuff has health benefits. I get that, but not when it's taking over my strawberries. My thought is, it's a weed when it's in your garden, taking over your edible plants. It's a health benefit when it's somewhere along a fence row or in a field, and you need it for medicine. Just my thoughts. Get rid of your weeds in your garden. You see, underground, you don't get all that. There's one hair. They're still coming, plus all the seeds up them. That's just crazy. See there? That's what they grow like. Get rid of them, guys. Another project today is my turmeric and my ginger. I cleaned this last month, but it was back grown up, so it's starting to come out. This is really late for turmeric and ginger. It's usually beautiful. The heat has been horrendous on it, but it's starting to come out. And so we're going to have a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of ginger this year. Here, Hank. Go play. The Florida parsley, we're feeding to the chickens. This stuff the chickens love. A curse here is the chamber bitter, or mimosa weed. You see all these seeds? The chamber bitter, or mimosa weed, is a weed. Something that we don't need, we did not have here. All right, go play with your ratty ball. We did not have these till about 3 years ago. And now, look at it, all this. I cleaned this out 2 weeks. It's back. It grows so fast, and this is what our yard is looking like. All right, Hank, go play. It's all in here. We have more mimosa weeds than we have grass. It's taken over our grass. We keep it mowed, but if you... All right, go play. He just wants me to play. There's no grass in here, guys. See, a little bit of grass, but look. Mainly the mimosa weed or chamber bitters. This whole section here is nothing but chamber bitters. So it becomes a weed when you can't get rid of it. It becomes a weed when you can't get rid of it. It's obnoxious. I know. Let's play. Uh-oh, you got to get it. You scared of it? Come on, get it. Get it. Get it. He said he ain't going in there. All right, go. And this is our sweet potatoes. Look at this. Going crazy. These are purple sweet potatoes. We're going to see if we get anything out of them. It's supposed to be in a carrot bed. Carrots are few and far between. The sweet potatoes came up from junk from last year. These are the sweet potatoes in black plastic that Danny has. You can see under here, see the black plastic? There's no weeds in them, but the weeds are around the outside. And again, chamber bitters or mimosa weeds. Hey, all around the outside where there's no plastic. But you can see this bed is gorgeous. So the black plastic is doing great. We're going to see how many sweet potatoes we harvest, probably in October from this bed. We got to finish cleaning this bed up, get that one down there cleaned up. But I'm working on it, guys, making a difference. Getting weeds out of the garden. It's weeds when it's in the garden. Remember that. Doesn't that look good compared? Took about 30-45 minutes to do that because the weeds were so big. And when is it a weed? Anytime it's in something like your raised bed, your garden, your food, it becomes a weed. Get rid of it. If it's out somewhere else, hey, it's medicine. So guys, hope you enjoyed a little bit about Crazy Days and our strawberry bed until we make it the carrot bed. Bye guys, from Hank and Crazy Days. Tell them bye, Hank. Say bye.